Hello and welcome to this full free course in Blender, where we'll create a simple yet powerful 2D face rig that you can wrap around your 3D characters. In this lesson, we'll organize our bones into collections so we can hide or isolate specific types of bones when we need to. If you like the black themes I use in my videos, you can get one for free or the 6 theme pack for a small fee. You can also support my free content by picking up the premium course version, more in-depth, beginner-friendly with downloadable materials, or buy the eyes, mouth and nose rigs separately for a small fee. Find the links in the description. Now, to add more clarity to this rig, I want to create some collections. So if you go here under the object data properties panel for the armature, so this one is for the armature, you see this man here, and this one is for the bone. So under here you see that we have bone collections, and now everything is under this bones collection here. I think I will select all the bones, A, and then go here and do remove to remove them from this collection. Then I will name this collection eyes, enter, and then you either deselect all the bones or you select one of the eyes bones, and then you go under selects and do select pattern. Now I will type in eye and do star. The star is a wildcard. That means that you select everything that has eye in it and then something after the eye. So I do enter and then escape to get rid of this menu here, and then I will do assign with, of course, the eyes bones selected. So assign. Now I create another collection and another one. This one I will name it nose, and this one I will name it mouth. So with the nose we only have 3 bones, so select one of the bones, shift select and do assign. And with the mouth we deselect everything, or we select one of the mouth bones and then we do select pattern, and instead of eye we type in mouth with a star after the mouth, enter, escape, and then with the mouth collection selected we do assign. And now we can test, we can hide the eyes collection. Why weren't these ones? Yeah, because they don't have an eyes prefix to them. So we can select these 4 bones and select the eyes collection and do assign. And now let's try to hide the collection again, and yes, hide the nose and hide the mouth. This can be useful to remove the clutter from your screen. If you want, for example, to rig the mouth, you don't need to see the other bones. So you hide the nose and the eyes bones, and now you have only the mouth to take care of. There's also this star feature that will display only the one you want. So instead of hiding, it isolates and it only displays the collection that you want to deal with at the moment. So this is it, a small trick.